I get asked about my skincare routine every other day, at least 20 DMs every day. I'm going to break down my skincare AM and PM routine. Easy, simplified for you guys. Morning, I get up, I wash my face with this Bioderma Pigment Bio Face Wash. This is brilliant. Has very tiny granules that also exfoliates your skin. And after I wash my face with makeup, I also use the same face wash. And I use my very favorite Dr. Althea's 345 cream. I've already finished one tube and this is my other one. I already have one in the backup. I use this AM and PM. And this is my favorite sunscreen from Beauty of Joseon. I've already finished one tube. This is the brand new tube that I have. And I love this one. My end for the best sunscreen ends with this one. Beautiful, beautiful texture. Perfect for oily skin type people. I do not like my sunscreen to be greasy and oily, and this one is just perfect. And this is it for my skincare in the morning. I just do this and I apply a lip balm. That's it. I do not wear lipsticks on an everyday basis. And then at PM, I use the same face wash, or sometimes I use the medicated one. That's AHA Glow. It's medicated and it's been prescribed by my dermatologist. So I use it when I have severe acne on my face. Otherwise, I go with the same face wash. Then I like to go in with this serum from Cess Derma. This is azelaic acid RU. This is the most mild form of azelaic acid. Very multi-purpose. You can apply it even on your under eyes. I apply it all around my face. I've already finished two of these bottles, and this is also almost finished only. Love this one. Then I like to use this under eye cream from Beauty of Joseon. You can see how much of it I've already finished. This is my utmost favorite under eye cream, which actually works on your dark circles and the texture under your eye. This is retinol based. I love this one. Then I use the same moisturizer, 345. I use this AM and PM as I've already mentioned. Then I use this over my Cess Derma serum. The days when I have severe acne and acne spots, I use this Deriva CMS gel. This is medicated. Please note that I'm not a skincare professional. I'm only here to share my skincare routine that suits me. It might and might not suit you, so always check with your dermat. Rather than using medicated products, try to indulge into the cosmetic products that I'm referring to. Then, because of the acne treatment, the Deriva CMS that I use, my skin tends to get a little more dry, so I always layer it up with another moisturizer at night, which is this one from Bioderma. This is Sebium Hydra Ultra Moisturizing, superb lightweight, very good for acne prone skin, oily skin. I love this one. Good for sensitive skin. I love this one from Bioderma. Then I simply finish off with a lip balm. This is my utmost favorite. You will find the Laneige lip balm lying around in each drawer of my house. This is superb, smells great, tastes yummy, does the job really well. I also like to generate a little disclaimer that I'm not a skincare professional. These are the skincare products that I actually use on myself, and they suit my skin really well. Before you use any medicated product, do check in with your dermat once. Keep following for more such informative videos. Bye.